So you are starting your social media marketing agency and you want to know what are the clients that you should go after in 2019. This video, I'm not only going to tell you, but I'm actually going to show you. So let's jump into my computer so I can show you exactly who you should go after. So guys, yesterday I literally showed you how you can spy on your competition, how you can get ideas for your marketing and so on. Today I'm going to cover what are the businesses that you should go after for your social media marketing agency in 2019 and why. Now, I did a small research. That is not a research. I simply went to Google and I typed tax firm Los Angeles, right? And here you can find the business that you should go after. Now, the first ones are actually the ones that are announcing on Google, because this means that if they're announcing on Google, they already have a dedicated budget for digital marketing. And if you can give them results, then you should go after them. Now, the cool part here, for example, if I go here and I actually open these, you'll see that these ones don't have a Facebook pixel installed, which automatically tells us that they're not running Facebook ads. Now, those businesses, you should go after them. But you already know, especially if you are watching YouTube videos on what businesses you should go after and so on, a lot of people say, if the page has a Facebook pixel, don't go after them. Focus in the ones that have the Facebook pixel, that doesn't have the Facebook pixel, right? But the advice that I have for you today is completely different, because the advice that I have for you today is don't just focus in businesses that don't have the Facebook pixel. Instead, actually go after businesses that have Facebook pixel, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So if the firm is on the first page of Google, it means that the firm gives a lot of traction. It means that they get from the researchers, right? A lot of people go in, right? And what you should do is, for example, this firm right here, right? BG Tax Law. They have a Facebook pixel installed, so it means that they have a lot of data stored in their pixel. And the only thing that you need to do is go to their Facebook, click on Info and Ads, and you'll see that it says Active Ads from Government Tax Law Firm. And you'll see that there are no ads to show, because this page isn't running any ads in any country right now, right? If it's not running an ad in your country, it will show the other countries here that you can select, like I showed you yesterday. But if the business is not running any single ad, it shows that the page is not running any ads, which means that this page, they not only have already the Facebook business created and they have the Facebook pixel, and also they have literally a lot of data already stored in their Facebook pixel. Therefore, you can simply go to Facebook. Let's say that you close them as a client. You can simply go to Facebook, create a audience based on their pixel, and literally just run retargeting campaigns. And then you can even create a lookalike audience. But the focus here would really be creating retargeting campaigns, because a lot of people that went from Google to this page, they did not convert as a client, which means that you can retarget them on Facebook. And that's basically it for today's tip. Go after businesses that actually have the Facebook pixel. Now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Now, this is it. So this is it for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and that this helps you in your career in building your social media marketing agency. My name is Carlos Arthur. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. That's it. I upload a video every single day here to the channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and bye.